Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. The title of this video is that how you can set up a TikTok shop in seller account in seller center of the TikTok. So I have opened up original document and article by the TikTok. Here you will get authentic details how you can set up your TikTok shop account and how you can sell on your TikTok shop. Okay, so as you know, the seller center allows you to run your e-commerce business directly on TikTok with solutions for store operation management, customer service and engagement, seller growth and education performance, and also give you policy updates and much more. You can also connect your Shopify store with the TikTok, okay, and TikTok shop, and you can sell your products in that way as well. So before starter, you must check that if you are eligible for the seller center in your country. So this is the list of the available country where the TikTok seller account is available. Like it's available in Indonesia, Ireland, Malaysia, Mexico, Philippines, Singapore, Spain, Thailand, United Kingdom, United States, and Vietnam. If you are if you are not in the list of this country, then you are not eligible for creating seller center account. But there are multiple ways through which you can create the accounts or seller account and sell products on your TikTok shop, but we will cover this topic in the next upcoming videos upon your request. Okay, if you want to know if your country is not available in this list, then how you can create an account, you can just drop your comment in the comment section, and then we will make a video on this topic as well. So you will also need to provide documents to verify your business. You will need to provide banking info for your business, and you also need a valid phone number and email address for that purpose. So how to set up a TikTok shop in a seller account? You must sign up to the seller center, or you can also sign up with your TikTok account on this seller center. So let me show you about this website, how it looks like. So this is the seller center account. Here you can set up your TikTok shop. You must select the region from where you belong, and just doing some basic settings, like we are from the United States, let's say, and it will ask you for to sign up your TikTok account, or you can also log in with your email address. Okay, after creating an account on this seller center, then the second point is that you choose your country and then click enter button. Okay, after that, choose what type of business you set up a shop for. If you are seller under your own name as an individual, you have to write the details of your LLC, and you must also mention your EIN number as per your country requirement. Okay, after then you can complete the steps for verify your information. Then you will set up your shop warehouse pickup addresses. Okay, you can add the physical address of your warehouse, and provide your country or region, provide the street address for your business, and then you will enter the name of your contact person, postcode, phone number, and you will also provide a return address for your shop, and then you will click on the start your business. After doing this document, you will again go to the seller center account. You will upload your document, and your account and your documents will be then checked for verification. After the approval of your documents, then your account will be created, and you will then attach your bank account. Okay, and then you will click on the submit, and it will again go for a review, and after the verification you will be all set up for the seller account of the TikTok for selling your products. So that's the basic and the documents article by the TikTok Business Help Center, and it's the original one. You have to follow this guideline for creating and selling your products on this TikTok seller account. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.